Russian Sukhoi Su-35 jet intercepted and came dangerously close to the Polish L-410 plane conducting a patrol over the Black Sea for the European Union Frontex border protection agency on May 5. At the same time, Romanian and Spanish planes were put on pre-alert by NATO. The Polish plane has been deployed in Romania from April 19 and is due to stay there until May 17 as part of a Frontex operation, organized by Romania that also includes Spain and Sweden. Frontex was established in 2004 as the European Agency for the Management of Operational Cooperation at the External Borders. It is headquartered in Warsaw, Poland, and is primarily responsible for coordinating border control efforts. The Turbolet L-410 aircraft, with a crew of 5, 2 pilots and 3 flight system operators, had been conducting patrol. Russia says it was actually reconnaissance flights as part of the said mission, starting from May 2. The base of the permanent deployment of this aircraft is Gdansk, Poland. The Russian aircraft allegedly made 3 approaches toward the Polish plane, and the resulting turbulence caused the crew to lose control of the plane and lose altitude. According to Poland Border Force, the Russian Sukhoi Su-35 plane did not make radio contact before carrying out aggressive and dangerous maneuvers, approaching the border guard plane 3 times without keeping required safety distance. The Russian warplane flew right in front of the nose of the L-410 plane, crossing its flight path at a dangerous distance, the statement said. It added, citing the crew assessment, that the distance was about 5 meters, around 16 feet, after which the Russian aircraft moved away. The Polish aircraft landed safely in Romania afterwards. The incident is not the first involving Russian and NATO aircraft to be considered dangerous. It comes after RAF Typhoon fighters and a Norwegian F-35A plane scrambled to intercept a Russian Tu-142 maritime patrol aircraft, known by the NATO code name as a Bear F, approaching British airspace on April 30, 2023. In March, a Russian fighter jet forced down a U.S. military Reaper surveillance drone over the Black Sea. The U.S. military said the Russian aircraft dumped fuel on the American drone and then collided with it. After that, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov said that the American side was ignoring the fact that certain areas of the Black Sea have a limited status for flights since the start of the special military operation. After Russian Su-27 fighter sent an American strategic reconnaissance drone MQ-9 Reaper worth about $50 million to the bottom of the Black Sea on March 14, the U.S. Air Force practically stopped flying these aircraft in the region so as not to take any more risks with their property. It looks like Americans decided to conduct reconnaissance using foreign aircraft. On March 20, a Russian Su-35 fighter flew to intercept 2 US B-52H strategic bombers that were spotted over the Baltic Sea. On April 2, the Russian Defense Ministry reported that a Russian Su-27 fighter escorted a German patrol aircraft in the sky over the Baltic Sea. After the German plane turned around from the Russian state border, the fighter returned to the airfield. These dangerous games may lead to a serious escalation in the region.